Welcome back to Crochet Tutorials filmed on a potato. Here we go, the triple crochet stitch. I've taken a liberty or two. Here's single crochets on the bottom row, double in the middle. Let's dive into the triple. So for the triple, you're going to want to chain 3 because it'll give you the height of a triple crochet. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. You did it. I'm proud of you. Turn the work. We're going to yarn over once, twice. Yarn over twice. Insert the hook through the desired stitch. I'm just going to go through this one. It's my buddy. So here we go. Yarn over, pull up a little loop. You're going to have a mess, but you just clean up that mess by doing this. These are the steps. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, almost there, yarn over, pull through 2, and you have got yourself a nice, neat triple crochet stitch. Very good. Yarn over 1, 2. We did that. Go through the desired stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and girl or guy, clean up that mess. We're going to yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and finally the third time, hence triple crochet, yarn over and go through 2. That is how you do it. Maybe slip stitches will be my next tutorial. Continue enjoying the journey. There you go. Okay, see ya.